In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on More Connections right away. Now you need to scroll all the way down to hit Printing available here. Then click on Default Print Service right away, or tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. Either way, it will work the same way. Click on it, make sure this switcher is blue, and wait! Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, if you still can't connect, don't worry, click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Add Printer, and if your printer has Wi-Fi direct printing feature, use this switcher next to it, tap on Allow in the pop-up, and hit Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers so your device can search for it. You can also tap on Add Printer by IP address to input it here and connect manually by hitting Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!